Namaste, welcome to Gitaskitchen. Today another easy breakfast recipe. We are going to make a healthy Palak and Moong Podi Idli. I have taken 1 cup of this whole green moong and soaked it overnight. This is half a cup of Bombay Rava or regular Upma Rava or Suji Rava. I'll just dry roast it and we'll keep this aside also to cool. Roast it till it becomes lighter and hot to touch. Now we'll switch it off, transfer it into a bowl and allow it to cool down to room temperature. Next, here I have a bunch of fresh palak leaves, some water to boil and add these palak leaves to it and just blanch them for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, remove them and place them in a bowl of cold water. Next, in your blender jar, add in this soaked moong and about 3 or 4 green chillies and also a small piece of ginger peeled and chopped. Now add in this blanched palak leaves to it. Grind it into a paste. Our moong and palak paste is ground well. Now to this add the roasted suji or rava. Give it a good mix. Hing or asafoetida. And salt, and we'll just keep it aside for 15 minutes. I am just greasing my mini idli plate with some oil. We can now spoon it out. Well in the steamer. Now keep this and steam it for about 10 to 12 minutes. Initially I made only 1 plate, but while we were waiting for it to steam, I got a call that some guests are coming home to visit us. So then I decided to make this full plate of mini idlis. So we'll steam this also side by side. Switch this off. We cooked it on a medium flame for 10 to 12 minutes and let us just check if it is done. See, it is not sticking to the knife. So I'll remove this. Now when it cools down a bit, let us remove these idlis. This set is also done now. It's a good idea to dip a spoon in water. So when you use a wet spoon, it comes out very easily. Palak moong mini idlis, we have more than 100 of them. Each plate has 18 idlis. So now take 2 tablespoons of oil, mustard seeds, dal, 2 dry red chillies, a few curry leaves and some hing. Also adding 2 teaspoons of white till. When everything is well roasted, now we'll add in our steamed Palak Moong mini idlis. Toss everything together. Now this is our homemade Idli Milagai Podi. So I am adding about 3 teaspoons. I have given the recipe. I will share the link in the description box. Now toss everything together well like this, so that every idli is coated well with all the till and the Milagai Podi also. This is Podi idli, so it should be well coated. It can take a little more, so I am adding another 2 teaspoons. And again toss everything well together. You don't need any other side dish, chutney, sambar, anything. This can just be eaten as it is. A very, very tasty snack. You can make it for breakfast, as a tea time snack. Keep it in your lunch box also. Toss everything very well, so that from top to bottom every idli has got the lovely taste of this Milagai Podi. Tasty and healthy Palak and Moong mini Podi idlis are now ready. See, making breakfast can become very easy only with a little planning. Previous night you decide what you want to make the next morning and it's done. If it is something which requires soaking or grinding, simple soak it, and next morning everything will be done in less than half an hour. And today I have not used any ENO or baking powder in the batter. It tastes good. It is quite soft and fluffy too. See, I can open one idli and show you how spongy and fluffy it is. So a lovely breakfast ready for you. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Gita's Kitchen, and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Gita's Kitchen. Thank you.